Hi, I'll be unboxing a HOTPOINT microwave oven today. It says HOTPOINT, all the space for grill taste, plus 30% space, turntable free. And it says extra space, double XL, extra large inside, super compact outside, and it has got grill. So special feature is like turntable free. That's what I'm looking for.
Different, correct.
So this is it. So this is the HOTPOINT, and it has got all these options.
Madiadala pa. Open mo na ng pag.
Just open this one, and I can see it is plate free. You can see like it's like completely open, and this is the manual, and this is the grill.